National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Bibb County in north central Texas, northwestern Johnson County in north central Texas, eastern Parker County in north central Texas, western Tarrant County in north central Texas, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:51 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing baseball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Weatherford to 5 miles southwest of Annetta to 14 miles west of Dudley, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hudson Oaks and Annetta around 1 p.m., Willow Park and Toledo around 1:10 p.m., Godley around 1:20 p.m., Springtown around 1:25 p.m., Lakeside around 1:30 p.m., White Settlement, Reno and Daisel around 1:35 p.m. This will impact the following interstates: Interstate 20 between mile markers 402 and 425, Interstate 30 between mile markers 1 and 4, Interstate 820 near mile marker 5. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter and stay away from windows until the storm has passed. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Tuesday evening for eastern Texas. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Johnson County and north central Texas, southeastern Tarrant County and north central Texas until 1:30 p.m. At 12:44 p.m., trained storm spotters observed a tornado near Joshua, moving northeast.